Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the topic of vector. In this particular video session, just we are going to discuss about the section formula. That means we are going to discuss about the internal division, external division and the midpoint formula of the topic vector. So let A and B be any two points with position vectors A vector and B vector respectively, and let P be any point dividing AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Then the position vector of P, it is defined as m into the second vector, m into the second vector B vector plus n into the first vector A vector divided by m plus n. It is almost similar to the internal division in the coordinate geometry. Then the corollary, because we are getting the midpoint formula from the internal division, so the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the 2 points with the position vectors A vector and B vector is given by half of A vector plus B vector. And here it is the corollary first for the theorem number 1, or you can say that internal division. Now let us discuss about the external division. So just we can change some of the words here. It is the theorem number 2 and it is external division. It is externally, and you have to give the negative sign in place of the positive sign, and here it is the external division. So let A and B be any 2 points with the position vectors A vector and B vector respectively, and let P be any point dividing AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Then the position vector of the point P is defined as mB vector minus n A vector divided by m minus n. And here it is all about the external division. Now let us discuss about a problem based upon this section formula. So here it is the question. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining the points P1 2 minus 1 and Q minus 1 1 1 in the ratio 2 is to 1, and you have to find out internally and also in case of externally. So here it is the solution. Let A vector is equal to position vector of P, that means A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and B vector is equal to position vector of Q, that implies B vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. First of all, we have to go through the internally division case. Let the point R divides PQ internally in the ratio 2 is to 1, that means m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. Position vector of R, it is mB vector plus na vector divided by m plus n, that means 2 into B vector minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus 1 into A vector I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by 2 plus 1, and you have to solve it. Minus 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus I cap plus 2j cap plus minus k cap divided by 3, and again solving we have, it is minus I cap plus 4j cap plus k cap divided by 3. It is the position vector of R. Then let us discuss about the second case. Let the point R divides PQ externally in the ratio 2 is to 1. Then position vector of R, it is mB vector minus na vector divided by m minus n, and it is 2 into B vector minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus 1 into I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by 2 minus 1. It is minus 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap 4 divided by 1. So it will be minus 2I cap minus I cap, it is minus 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 2j cap got cancelled with each other, and here it is 3k cap. So here it is the position vector of R, and here it is the solution of the given problem. So in this particular video session, just we have discussed about the section formula. That means we have discussed about the internal division, midpoint division, external division, and then we have discussed about one of the problem based upon the section formula. In both cases, internal division as well as external division. In the next video session, just we are going to discuss about the scalar product or dot product. Till then, thank you.